Estamos aquí en Goguinara in Juarez, Ciudad de Mexico. There's not a big selection of banchan, but it's good and all you can eat. We got the package special, which came with 3 meats and 2 pitchers of agua. The package had 300 grams of costilla de res, 300 grams of tocino, and 300 grams of bistec de res. It's a good deal, but not the premium meats. I think I prefer to pay more and order a few of the more tasty meats on the menu. We all used the lettuce and filled it up with the meat and the banchan, the best way to get the most flavor out of each bite. The check came to 580 pesos or $29 plus tip.